Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So y'all know it's an important deal if I am back in the store for a second time on a Sunday. I think I was in the store twice on a Sunday last week, but got done with CVS, had dinner, doing all that stuff, and about to settle down for the night with my husband and realize that you guys have been out all day killing this overage at Dollar General while I have been busy at work at CVS. So y'all know I had to come to Dollar General to get in on this overage. So if you have not heard by now, we got a brand new $3.75 off of 2 digital coupon on Glade products at Dollar General. So this is a digital coupon. Stop and download this coupon now to all of your accounts because that coupon is glitching and attaching to these $1 items. It is not all of the items, so you do want to scan on your app to make sure that it is testing. But as you can see how cleaned out my store is of the Glade, I'm pretty sure this is still working here tonight. So I'm going to grab some of these Glade cones right here because I've scanned and they are working. I'm going to get 2 of the lemon and 2 of the clean linen, and each set of 2 of those on 2 different accounts is going to give me $1.75 in overage. Item number 2 that I have in my cart that is also glitching and providing some overage is this travel size Pantene. So you want to grab this from the travel section. These are $1.50 each, and we have a brand new $5 off of 3 digital coupon. So for every 3 of these that you buy, that is 50 cents in overage. So we got $1.75 in overage for these 2 plus 50 cents in overage here. That is $2.25 in overage that we're working with for both of the transactions that we're going to do. So I've seen a lot of people today using their overage on these Airwick starter kits. They are on sale for $3.35 regular price, but we have a new $1.50 off digital coupon, which will make those only $1.85. I think I'm going to pass on that deal and find something else to use my free money on, so let's see what I get. Okay, so the first item I'm going to grab is one of these 12 count finish packs. So I have a $1.75 off 1 digital coupon on this product. So this is going to come in handy because that's just going to be $2 and should be completely covered by the overage that we have for my other products. Okay, you guys, so what I wanted to grab with my other overage was some Scott paper towels and use the $1 digital coupon that we have. As y'all can see, that is not happening. My store actually gets their truck tomorrow, so they have none of the Scott in stock. So what I'm going to do is grab something else instead. But if you are able to grab the Scott, that's a great deal because those are $4.50, and then that overage will cover a big portion of that, making those paper towels super cheap. Another option to consider is these DG Home garbage bags. So they're on sale for $4.50 regular price, but we got a $1 off digital coupon, making them only $3.50. So that'll only be 75 cents for garbage bags. If you need them, that is definitely a stock up price. So what I'm gonna get, this item is priced perfectly, is some bleach. Y'all know I love to grab bleach when I can. So this is $2.75. That matches our overage perfectly. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my 2 little quick transactions. So this is going to be transaction number 1. This should be about 50 cents out of pocket. So I have the 2 Glade, the 3 Pantene, and the Clorox. No coupon used on the Clorox, the 5 off of 3 for the Pantene, and then the $3.75 off of 2 for the Glade. That should be 50 cents for all of those items. Then this will be my second transaction. This one should be about $1, I'm thinking, at the most. Same deal with this. I'll be using a $1.75 off coupon for the finish. No coupon for the Lysol. That is just a filler item. So let's go up to the front with these 2 deals and see how this works. All right, you guys, so I am back at home. These transactions worked out beautifully. So as you can see, my Lysol is missing, and that is because I had one little hiccup. So in this first transaction, I meant to put up the Lysol in this transaction, and I forgot to. So when she hit the total button, my subtotal actually went into the negative. It had that amount due to customer where she was going to have to pay me money, and of course, they can no longer do that at Dollar General. I completely forgot to add the Lysol and did didn't realize why it was off until I got to my second transaction, and it was higher than I expected because I had the Lysol added with the Clorox. So in this transaction, I had to throw in just that little piece of candy right there. So I got the 3 Pantene, the Glade, and the Finish tabs. I threw in that piece of Lindor so that she would not have to pay me. Let me show you how it worked out. So there's the Finish. That was actually $3.25 instead of $3.75. So that was the first thing that made the transaction cheaper. So that $1.75 off digital applied. There is the Pantene, $1.50. The 5 off of 3 digital applied, making those 50 cents in overage. There is the $1 Glade items, and as you can see, that $3.75 off digital applied. And there is the Lindt piece of chocolate that I added in. My subtotal was still in the negative, so it was negative 25 cents. And then after the taxes, I ended up having to pay 45 cents in cash for those 7 items with a total savings of $10.50. So this transaction right here, y'all, was negative 25 cents. In the second transaction, I got the bleach, the Glade, and the Pantene just as I intended to. And there is the Pantene, there is the Glade once again, that $5 off 3 digital applied, the $3.75 off digital applied. Y'all, there is the bleach. Subtotal came up to 50 cents. We had a total savings of $8.75 for those 6 items. Yes, y'all. So we paid 50 cents for all of those items, including the bleach, negative 25 cents for all of those items, including the Finish. So all of these items together are a grand total of 25 cents plus tax. It does not get any better than that. So like I said, definitely download that Glade digital coupon, that Pantene digital coupon. Hopefully this glitch will be working for a little while so you guys can take advantage of this tomorrow and get the items that you need with this free money while it lasts. I'm sure it'll be fixed at some point, but download those digitals quickly tonight in case they go away, in case you have not used them already. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if it was. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family if you have not already. I would love to have you. I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.